Hello, Lynn. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
All right. Good evening, Lynn. Is my voice clear? Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes.
teacher? Good. How are you
Yes,
today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. All right. That's good to hear. You are happy. Did you go to school today? You went to school this afternoon and morning? Did you go to school?
Yes.
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 Okay. Yeah. That's good. All right. So, Lynn, yesterday, no, not yesterday, sorry. Last time, what we had was we did Unit 10. Okay. Today, we will be doing Unit 11. Okay. So, here we go, Lynn. I will
Okay.
share the screen so we can start with our lesson for this evening. Wait me for a while. Okay, there you go. Lynn, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. What is Unit 11? What is it? It's
This host is it.
very good. So
Host.
yeah, correct. Very good, Lynn. Pronounced correctly. That's good. Okay, so Unit 11 is all about whose is it. Okay, let's have here. Before we start, we have vocabulary words. So what's the first word? What's the first word, Lynn?
Cake.
It's cake, correct.
Cake.
This one.
Is mouse.
Mouse.
Very good, mouse. And third one we have is
Is watch.
Watch.
correct, watch. Okay, so I have here a cake, mouse, watch. Okay, next, Lynn, what's this?
Tennis.
Tennis,
Tennis.
correct. This one is
Is clock.
clock, correct.
Clock.
And third one is, what's
Hands.
Paint.
paints? Okay, Lynn, do you know these words? Tennis, clock, paints. Understand this?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now, I have here, Lynn, grammar. Okay. We are going to learn how to use whose and whose. Okay. They have same pronunciation, but they are different words. Okay. The same when you say it, but different words. Okay. It has different usage. Lynn, if you say whose, it is the contraction, meaning it is the short form of who is and who has. Okay? Instead of writing who is or who has, you can just write W-H-O apostrophe S. Okay? It means who is, who has. Okay? Example in, what are the two examples? Please read. What's this? Whose? Go.
Who's fish next weekend.
Yeah. Who's free next weekend? The same with who is free next weekend. Oh, they're just the same. We just make it short. Okay? Who is free next weekend is the same with who's free next weekend. Very good, Lynn. Next, second question. Our second sentence.
I don't know who
Who's,
coming.
again, who's coming?
Who's coming?
Very good. So here, Lynn, the who's here is who is. I don't know who is coming. Okay, who's coming? All right. Okay, next. Lynn, I have here whose. Oh, whose, Lynn, here is a possessive form. If we say possessive, it's ownership. Okay? Ownership. Who owns it? Okay? Example, whose book is this? It means I am asking who is the owner. Okay? Owner of the book. Okay? Next, Lynn. How about the second sentence? Read the second sentence. She's
life face for writing is neat.
okay. She's my friend whose writing is neat. It means the owner of the writing here or of the book is my friend. Okay? My friend, ownership, the owner. Okay? If we use or if we talk about ownership, who owns the object, use whose. W-H-O-S-E. But if we talk about who is or who has, we say whose. Understand? Understand? Okay, very good, Lynn. All right, Lynn, let's do the next one. Okay, now we have here, Lynn, possessive. Okay, the owner. If you say Lynn's book, whose book is it? It's Lynn's. We put apostrophe S, like this one. L. Okay, you put apostrophe S, meaning the owner is Lynn. Lynn's book. All right? It's like that. Now, Lynn. Okay. Lynn, we have here singular nouns. Okay? If we say singular, it means the noun is only one. If we say plural, that's two or many. Look at Lynn. If it's only one object, we put apostrophe S. Dog's house, meaning only one dog. Now this one, Lynn. Books, words. Only how many book? How many book? It's one. Very good. Please read, Lynn. What's this? Girls.
What?
This one. Girls, dolls. Okay, only one. Birds, chicks. Cars, engine. Sister's room. Jim's pen. My mom's bag. Meaning, this dog, book, girl, bird, car, sister, Jim, and mom, they are only one. If they are only one, you put apostrophe S like this. Apostrophe and then S. Okay? After the noun. But Lynn, if the noun are two or many, we put apostrophe at the last. Can you see it? Oh, tables. The apostrophe is after the S. Girls. Why it's like that? Because it's many. Okay? Many already. All right. Understand? Understand? Okay? Now here, do the next one. Okay, Lynn? We have here example of possessive pronouns. Lynn, can you please read a possessive? Go, please read. A possessive pronoun. Here. Please read. This one. Go. A possessive.
A possessive pronoun reflects of possessive adjective. Nouns show about repeating information. That's it already clear.
Okay. Now here, Lynn, I have here many possessive pronouns. This one. Okay. These are example of possessive pronouns. We use this to replace. We'll not use possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Okay? Example, why? Because if you keep on saying, I am a student. This is I. This is I. This is my. Okay? Instead of saying the word I and my again, you use mine. It's my ownership. Mine. Possessive pronouns shows ownership. Example in this one. This book is my book, not your book. Oh, you use this one again and again. So, what are the possessive adjectives? Please read, Lynn. This, go.
This
This.
was in mine. Not your.
Okay. Mine and yours are possessive adjectives or possessive pronouns. It tells us the owner of the object. Mine, yours. Who's the owner? Mine, yours. Okay. Lynn, could you please read? What are the possessive pronouns? Please read. Mine, go.
Mine.
Next.
Yours. His. Her. Ours. Yours. Theirs.
Theirs. Okay. I have here example and I will write example. Okay. So you will understand. Okay. This book is Lynn. Okay. Oh, Lynn's. This book is Lynn's. Now here is Lynn. What is Lynn? A girl or a boy? Lynn is a girl. Very good. Okay. Lynn here is a girl. So here, what we are going to do, Lynn, is to replace the word Lynn using the given possessive pronoun. So Lynn is a girl. What pronoun are we going to use? Mine, yours, his, or hers? It's a very good. Very good, Lynn. So you will say the book. Wait, cannot see. Sorry. So you will say the book is hers. Okay? Hers meaning it belong to Lynn, not teacher, but to my student Lynn. Okay? We use hers because Lynn is a girl. Okay? If it's a girl, you use hers. If it's a boy, you use his. Okay? Think you understand this already. Very good, Lynn. Very fast learner. All right. So here, let's move to the next one. So here, Lynn, listen. So some of the words in reading and writing part 1 look and often sound very similar. Example, game and name. They almost have same sound. You should practice finding these small differences. Okay, now Lynn, I have here this one. What you are going to do is to look at the picture. Okay, wait a while. First is look at the picture. Okay, and then read the sentence. What's the sentence, Lynn? These, go. Read, these, go. Please read, Lynn.
These are eyes.
Okay, these are eyes. Is it an eye? Is the picture eye?
Yes.
Yes. So if it's yes, you put a tick inside the box. Now look at the second example. Please, Lynn, what is the sentence? Please read. This.
This is a skateboard.
Is it a skateboard? Look at that. No, very good. So you put X. Lynn, what is in the picture? It's What's in the picture, Lynn? The picture is
His eyes.
eyes, ears, okay? This one is an ears. It's not skateboard, so we put X, okay? So, Lynn, what you are going to do now is to answer number 1 to 6. You put a tick if it's correct in the picture and the sentence. Put cross if it's not correct, okay? All right. So, Lynn, can you answer this? Very good. Oh, later, I will ask you to read later. Answer first. Answer. Okay, are you done, Lynn? Finish answering? Done?
Yes.
Okay, Lynn. Number 1. Please read number 1. This?
This is a robot.
Okay. Is this a robot?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see, Lynn. The correct answer, number 1 is correct. Very good. It's a robot. Number 2, Lynn. Read number 2.
This a shark.
These are socks. The correct answer is very good. It's socks. Correct. Next, Lynn. Number 3.
This is a name.
This is a name. The answer is very good. It's cross. Lynn, what is in the picture? The picture is a what's in the picture? It's a, is it a name? It's not a name. It's a,
Chess.
oh, it's a chessboard. It's a game, not name. Very good, very good. Number 4, Lynn, what's the answer 4? Read 4.
This is a kite.
This is a cake. The answer is? Oy, very good. What is in the picture, Lynn? It's a, what's in the picture? It's a, you know this?
No.
I know. This one is a balloon, not a cake. This isn't a cake, but it's a balloon. Correct. Now here, Lynn, number 5. What is number 5?
This is a keyboard.
This is a keyboard. Is that a keyboard? Yes or no?
No.
No. Look at Lynn. It's yes. The one in number 5 picture is a keyboard. Okay? We use keyboard in our computer. Okay? The one that we type on the computer is called keyboard. Next, Lynn, number 6. What is sentence number 6?
This is a tablet.
This is a tablet. What's the answer? It's Very good. It's cross. What is number 6, Lynn? What is that? That is a
Teddy bear.
teddy bear. Correct. It's a teddy bear. Very good, Lynn. Okay, here in activity A, just got one mistake. It's okay. Just be careful next time, Lynn. Okay? All right, so Lynn, let's do now the next activity. Oh, I have here a picture. Okay, Lynn, look at the picture. I want you to count how many children are there. How many
There,
children?
there are 6 children.
Okay, very good. There are 6 children. And what are the names?
Mm,
What are the names?
There's Lucy, Nick, Lucy, Tom, Jill, Bill, and Anna.
Very good. Their names are Nick, Lucy, Tom, Jill, Bill, and Anna. Great work, Lynn. Now here, Lynn, what are they doing?
They're fishing.
They are fishing. Correct. Now here, Lynn, I want you to complete sentence 3 to 6. Okay, look at here. Oh, number 1. Whose mouse is it? Look at the mouse. Where's the mouse? Oh, where's the mouse? Here's the mouse. Who got the mouse? It's Nick's. It's his. Okay, we use his because Nick is a boy. Okay, so Lynn, in the
Okay.
first column, write the names of these people who got these different things. And then in the next one, use the possessive pronouns. Okay, go Lynn, take your time. Okay, just tell me when you're done later. Go. Lynn, you put apostrophe S. Like this, after the name. Hello, Lynn. Hello, Lynn. Can you enter again to the Zoom class? Okay, because my Zoom is about to close. You will finish this one in the next Zoom class, okay? I'll just be out for a few seconds. I'll be the one to write yours, okay? All right, Lynn? Okay.